Choosing your business structure is one of the first steps into turning your plan into a reality. If you're going into business by yourself and not sure whether you should be an LLC or a sole proprietorship, you've come to the right place. LLCs are typically better business structures than sole proprietorships. But why is that, and what advantages do sole proprietorships offer? In this video, we'll talk about the differences between LLCs and sole proprietorships and when you'd want to use one over the other. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a popular business structure due to its liability protection, flexibility, and credibility. For a more detailed breakdown of what an LLC is, check out our other video, What is an LLC?, linked below. A sole proprietorship is an informal business structure. It's a business that you've started but haven't registered with the state. The biggest advantage of an LLC is its liability protection. Liability protection keeps your personal assets separate from your business assets. So if your business were to get sued, they can't come after your house, your car, or your personal savings. Another advantage is that LLCs are formal business structures registered with the state, which tends to give your business more credibility with your customers. LLCs also give you the opportunity to brand your business. When you register your LLC with the state, you'll get to pick a name for your business. You can use this name to build your brand and show your company's voice and values. The liability protection, credibility, and branding opportunities are the main reasons that an LLC is typically a better choice than a sole proprietorship. A sole proprietorship is for someone with a low-risk business, like a freelancer or someone starting a blog. Sole proprietorships are easier to set up since there's no paperwork and you don't need to register them with the state. A sole proprietorship can act as a testing grounds for a new business idea before diving into it with all the associated time and costs. With no fees or applications, a sole proprietorship can be a great way to try something new. If you want to run a riskier operation with more complex factors and more costs, you don't want a sole proprietorship because you'll be facing those things without liability protection. When you run a sole proprietorship, your business's name must be your first and last name. This limits your business's branding. If you've heard the term DBA, or doing business as, it's what a sole proprietorship can use to change its business's name from the owner's first and last name to any name they choose. However, a DBA is not a business structure and does not offer any protections a formal business structure does. For more information on what a DBA is, check out our other video, What is a DBA?, linked below. So how do you go about forming an LLC after you've made this important decision? You can either go through the steps and fill out the paperwork on your own, which is made even easier with our How to Start an LLC video, or our website, howtostartanllc.com. Or you can hire a formation service to do it for you. Check the description for links to our How to Start an LLC video, our website, and our recommended formation service. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a quick like, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel. LLCs are usually a better choice when starting a business due to the liability protection, credibility, and the branding opportunities. Sole proprietorships are good if you're a low-risk business or if you're just wanting to try something before becoming a formal business structure. For more detailed guides on business formation, check out our website, howtostartanllc.com. There we provide all sorts of free resources, tools, and guides to help you with business formation. Good luck starting your small business.